Good morning, students. So today we are going to start a numerical portion of the expenditure method, how to calculate the national income by expenditure method. And this is our chapter number 4. Chapter 4, measurement of national income. Measurement of national income. So in our previous lecture, we have already discussed about the expenditure methods. Expenditure method and its components. So here 4 components are here. First is private final consumption expenditure. Private final consumption expenditure. Second is second is government final consumption expenditure. Government final consumption expenditure. Third is gross domestic capital formation. Gross domestic capital formation. Or you can say gross investment. Gross investment. And plus fourth is net export. Net exports, export minus import. Okay. And this is equal to GDP at market price. Now we calculate the national income. How to calculate national income? So first of all, minus depreciation. Then plus net factor income from abroad and minus net indirect taxes. Then we will get NNP at factor cost. And this is our national income. National income. Okay. So now we take some cases. Case one is first exports. Exports is equal to ₹500. ओके ये हम केस किसके लिए ले रहे हैं? हम कैलकुलेट नेट एक्सपोर्ट. ओके कैलकुलेट नेट एक्सपोर्ट. नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स अगर हमें नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स निकालने हैं, यहाँ पर जो फोर्थ कंपोनेंट इज नेट एक्सपोर्ट ना. सो वी टेक सम केसेस. केस वन इज एक्सपोर्ट इज इक्वल टू ₹500 and second import is equal to imports is equal to ₹300. So answer is net exports is equal to export minus import, and this is 500 minus 300, ₹200. Okay, now the second case is case second. This is first exports is equal to ₹600 and second import is equal to ₹700. Okay, Now what will be the answer? Net export is equal to export minus import. That is 600 minus 700. This is our 700. Okay, ये तो क्वेश्चन है आपके पास. 700. So 700. This is our rupees minus 100. Okay, so it means कि net export आपका क्या आ सकता है? माइनस में भी आपका आ सकता है net export. Okay, so my rupees minus 100. And the case third is first exports is equal to 0, and second imports is equal to rupees 200. Then the net exports is equal to export minus import. 0 minus 200 is equal to rupees minus 200. Okay, then case 4, first net export is equal to rupees 500, and second imports is equal to rupees 200. And this is very simple. So net export is equal to export minus import. 500 minus 200, rupees 300. Sorry, this is our net exports is equal to rupees 500 and imports is equal to 200. तो यहाँ पर आपके पास देखिए ये क्या है कि आपको पहले से ही नेट एक्सपोर्ट दे दिया. ठीक है, तो यहाँ पर क्या होगा? एक्सपोर्ट माइनस इंपोर्ट की जरूरत ही नहीं है क्योंकि आपके पास पहले से ही नेट एक्सपोर्ट दे दिया है. तो नेट एक्सपोर्ट आपके पास कितने हो जाएंगे? 500. नेट एक्सपोर्ट इज इक्वल टू 500 रुपीज 500. Then case 5, net imports is equal to rupees 200. तो आपने नेट एक्सपोर्ट निकालनी है. सो नेट एक्सपोर्ट क्या हो जाएंगे? सेम वही माइनस में चले जाएंगे, माइनस 200, क्योंकि आपके पास सिर्फ क्या दिया हुआ है? जब आपके पास जो नेट इंपोर्ट्स होते हैं, नेट इंपोर्ट्स जो आपके पास गिवन होते हैं, तो नेट एक्सपोर्ट उसका क्या हो जाएगा? माइनस में. सो माइनस रुपीज 200. ओके, देन केस 6 इज net imports is equal to minus rupees 350. अब सिंपल है, जब आपके पास प्लस में था नेट इंपोर्ट तो एक्सपोर्ट आपके पास माइनस में आ गया था. अब आपके पास नेट इंपोर्ट्स माइनस में गिवन है तो आपके पास एक्सपोर्ट क्या आ जाएंगे? नेट एक्सपोर्ट्स इज इक्वल टू प्लस रुपीज 350. ओके, so now the next is comparison between net export and net factor income from abroad. Comparison between net exports and net factor income from abroad. Okay, so basis first किस बेस पे? मीनिंग के बेस पर देखेंगे हम. फर्स्ट मीनिंग बेसिस. So student, net exports it refers to difference between export and imports of goods and services. And net factor income from abroad, it refers to difference between factor income received from abroad and factor income paid abroad. Okay. Second base is concept. So net export, this is the domestic concept, and the net factor income from abroad, this is the national concept. Okay. And the third base is factor or non-factor services. So in net exports, it includes non-factor services like banking, shipping, and insurance. Okay, and in net factor income from abroad, it includes factor services. Clear? So student, now the next is precautions of expenditure methods. Precautions of expenditure methods. What precautions we are taken in the expenditure method for calculating national income? So first precaution is expenditure on intermediate goods will not be included in the national income. In the national income. तो जो भी इंटरमीडिएट गुड्स के एक्सपेंडिचर होंगे वो हम इंक्लूड नहीं करेंगे एज इट इज द ऑलरेडी इंक्लूडेड इन द वैल्यू ऑफ फाइनल एक्सपेंडिचर. So if it is included again, so it will lead to double counting of expenditure, right? Now the second is transfer payment are not included. Transfer payments are not included. So transfer payments are not included, student. As such, payments are not connected with any productive activity and there is no value addition. ना तो ये किसी प्रोडक्टिव एक्टिविटी के साथ कनेक्टेड है और ना ही इससे कोई वैल्यू एडिशन हो रहा है ट्रांसफर पेमेंट से, इसीलिए ये भी हम नेशनल इनकम में ऐड नहीं करेंगे. नाउ द थर्ड इज परचेज ऑफ सेकेंड हैंड गुड. Purchase of second hand good will not be included. तो स्टूडेंट्स सेकेंड हैंड गुड की परचेजिंग को भी हम क्या करेंगे, ऐड नहीं करेंगे नेशनल इनकम में. सो एज सच एक्सपेंडिचर हैज ऑलरेडी बीन इंक्लूडेड व्हेन दे वर ओरिजिनली परचेज्ड. सो सच गुड्स डू नॉट अफेक्ट द करंट फ्लो ऑफ गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज. किसी भी तरह के करंट फ्लो पे, गुड्स एंड सर्विसेज के करंट फ्लो में कोई इफेक्ट नहीं डालती है इस तरह की गुड्स. सो हाउएवर एनी कमीशन and brokerage on such goods is included as it is the payment made for productive services. लेकिन हाँ, अगर कोई कमीशन एजेंट है, उसका कमीशन उसको मिलता है सेकेंड हैंड गुड को सेल परचेज करवाने में, ब्रोकर को ब्रोकरेज मिलती हैं, तो वो उनके सर्विसेज का रिवार्ड होता है. दैट्स व्हाई वी आर इंक्लूडेड द ब्रोकरेज और कमीशन इन द नेशनल इनकम. ओके, नाउ द फोर्थ इज purchase of financial assets. Purchase of financial assets. Like shares, debentures, bonds, etc. Okay, so these will not be included. As such, transactions do not contribute to current flow of goods and services. And these financial assets are mere paper claims and involves a change of title only. Okay, but any commission or brokerage on such financial assets is included as it is a productive service, right? Now the next is expenditure on 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 expenditure expenditure on own account production, on account production, like production for self-consumption, imputed value of owner-occupied houses, free services from general government and private non-profit institution serving households will be included in the national income. इनको हम इस तरह के expenditures को हम ऐड करेंगे national income में, since these are productive services. Clear? Now students, we take an example. Yes students, so this is the example. From the following data, calculate the GDP at both a market price and a factor cost. Okay, so items are given: gross investment, net exports, net indirect taxes, depreciation, net factor income from abroad, private final consumption expenditure, government purchases of goods and services. Okay, so now we calculate the, first of all, we calculate the GDP at market price. GDP at market price. So GDP at market price के लिए first of all we take, first is gross investment. Okay, so हम ये कर लेते हैं, पहले हम component के according ले लेते हैं. First is private consumption expenditure. Okay, second is government purchase of goods and services. Third is gross investment. And fourth is net exports. Okay. So first of all, students, we calculate the GDP at market price. GDP at market price. A, GDP at market price. So gross investment. Gross investment plus, yes, gross investment. Then private consumption expenditure. Private consumption expenditure plus government purchases of goods and services, purchases of goods and services, and plus net exports. Okay, so the values are 90 plus 350 plus 100 plus 10. Okay, now we will get rupees 550 crores. So this is our GDP at market price. Okay, now the next part is, next we calculate the factor cost, GDP at factor cost. So B is GDP at factor cost. So how to calculate this? So GDP at market price, yes, minus net indirect taxes. Net indirect taxes. So GDP at market price is 550 minus net indirect taxes are given 5. Okay, so now the GDP at factor cost is rupees 545 crores. Okay, this is our answer. Now the next example is this one. Find NDP at factor cost from the following data. Items are given: gross domestic fixed investment, inventory investment, depreciation, indirect taxes, subsidies, consumption expenditure, and residential construction investment. Okay, so now we calculate the NDP at factor cost. So first of all, we calculate the GDP at market price. So how to calculate it? First, we take gross domestic fixed investment. अब देखिए यहाँ पर आपके पास क्या है, फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट है। ओके, सो ये क्या है, ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन का पार्ट है। आपको याद होगा ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लस इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट, these are the part of gross domestic capital formation. ओके, तो जब आपके पास फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट गिवन हो तो आपने साथ में इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट अगर गिवन है या चेंज इन स्टॉक इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट की जगह चेंज इन स्टॉक गिवन है तो आपने वो दोनों लेना है। सो ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स्ड इन्वेस्टमेंट plus inventory investment. Okay, then the second is, yes, the second is consumption expenditure. Okay, consumption expenditure आपको total given देते आपको consumption expenditure, ये आपने लेनी है और कुछ नहीं लेना आपने इसके अंदर, ठीक है, और आपको कुछ भी given नहीं है। सो हमने ये तीनों चीजें ले ली, ग्रोस डोमेस्टिक फिक्स इन्वेस्टमेंट, इन्वेंट्री इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड कंजप्शन एक्सपेंडिचर। देन we will calculate the GDP at market price. So first of all, we calculate the GDP at market price. Example second. Example second, GDP at market price. Okay, so first gross domestic fixed investment, plus inventory investment plus consumption expenditure. Consumption expenditure. Okay, this is 10,000 plus 5,000 plus 20,000. And now we will get rupees 35,000 crores. Okay, now the next is we calculate NDP at factor cost. NDP at factor cost. So how to calculate it? GDP at market price. Okay, minus yes, gross से net बनाना है, minus depreciation. Okay, and market price factor cost. So indirect taxes and subsidies are given. Okay, so minus indirect taxes and plus subsidies. So GDP at market price 35,000, depreciation rupees 2,000, or and indirect taxes 1,000, subsidies 2,000. Okay, now we will get rupees 34,000 crores. Okay. So today our expenditure method is completed. So that's all for today. Have a good day.